Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
All right, so fixing to go get my hair did. It's gonna get maybe an inch cut off. I don't know. It has some dead on it, so yeah, I'm so excited. I love getting my hair done. It's so much fun. I think every girl says that, but you know, whatever. I got it done. It's so cute. I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. Yay. And I'll put the name of the girl I go to down below in the comments or right here so you can go check her out. She does a great job. Yeah, I feel like a new woman. Look at that.
Just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away before.
All right, went to Target, got me a iced coffee. Anyway, the Target haul. Not much of a haul. It's more of a bag. For my wedding planning. See? Binder. I'm gonna make it like a vision board binder, I think. And I got me some tabs to go in the binder. And I got a card for my parents because it is their wedding anniversary tomorrow. Happy 37th wedding anniversary to Mom and Dad. So I got them a beautiful card. I'm just gonna go ahead and read it because I almost cried when I read it in the store. Here we go, you ready? Okay. Mom and Dad, for as long as I can remember, I've believed that two people really can be made for each other, that a good marriage is a lot of work and worth the effort, that dreams do come true and a little laughter goes a long way, that forever love is possible, and I believe all of this because of the lasting love you two have shared. Happy anniversary with love. So, okay, so back to the drink thing. This is a Grande iced coffee, no classic, with 1 pump of mocha and heavy cream. And the barista put the perfect amount of heavy cream because they usually say light heavy cream. Yeah, but it is so good. Make sure to say no classic because I honestly don't like my coffee that sweet. And this is not an original from me. This is an original from Heidi Powell, fitness influencer. I feel really awkward filming when people are walking by and see me talking to a stick. The question is, does the Pembroke corgi like quest chips? Let's see. Oh snap. Oh no. It fell. Charlie. You little piece. Come. Come. Oh snap. It's Charlie approved.
Or you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find. I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I saw.
This is the grain I feed my donkeys and my horse Dan, or our donkeys and my horse Dan. It is a great grain. It is a complete feed, meaning it has roughage in it, or hay. And it's great. It's high fat and high fiber, which is great for donkeys or hard keeps. Dan gets a full scoop in his bucket, and then the donkeys, all 3 of them, share around 3/4 of a scoop in their bucket. So they get that twice a day, and I feed Dan a quantity. It's basically aminos and helps cellular regeneration for horses. He's been doing great on it. So he gets 1 scoop of this. He gets 1 scoop of this. I think I got my big scoop. And then the colder months, hey, you better chill. You better chill. You get in the colder months. Sometimes I get it too if it's super cold out. So you can see what it all does on top. Fast recovery, joint support, ulcer prevention, focus, soft tissue repair, and all that. So let's feed the ponies.
Said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning?
Actually, the back of this rose in it. 14% fat. And the description of the feed says a high-fat, high-fiber diet for mature geriatric horses, fortified to provide protein, essential amino acids, vitamins, macrominerals, trace minerals, bacteria, and enzymes. So yeah, Dan's been doing great on this. He is a 20, he'll be 22 this May, on May 1st. And I also wanted a grain for donkeys that was the same and easy to feed. Because donkeys are also pretty easy to keep animals, and the main ingredient in that grain is beet pulp, and actually donkeys, something they're supposed to have is beet pulp, so something good for them. And I tried feeding them straight beet pulp that was like out of a bag from Tractor Supply, and they didn't touch it. So they love this. They eat it up all the time. It has molasses in it. Dan always cleans it up. Dan's pretty picky. He's a picky horse. But yeah, check it out. It's worth it. It's pretty expensive. It's one of the most expensive grains on the market. But honestly, I would rather feed one grain to everybody and make sure everybody's safe and happy and getting everything they need than feeding 2 different types of grain. Because I don't have to worry about closing anybody up in stalls. They eat theirs. Now, sometimes the donkeys go and travel over to Dan's and eat, but if you're looking for that one-stop shopped grain, Triple Crown Senior is the way to go.